I want to explain to you, no matter what kind of martial art ever it is, has never failed. The art, he was good in his own right. People have failed. It's Stephen Blake. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Now we have a Djurus. Okay. A Djurus is this way. That is the front, the motion. Okay. This is the motion. 1. Okay. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Alright? Why is that way? Because, oh, I don't believe in forms. Forms are the most important thing, and besides the forms, you have feet forms. When a form not exists, then you're going to get stuck because it's all in the form. Alright? And the form has meaning. The form has things what you maybe never have dreamed of. Because only to do this, oh, I'm going to pawn him. No, that's not that way. But he do a form mostly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then common combat. See, in this way that is really true. He thinks so, the form goes like this, right? And then common confrontation, right? To know is good. To understand is better. To know that you go wrong is very good. But to correct it is better. Hey, hey, hey. Right? The reason why he do this, okay, there come a 5. And matter of fact, you do the form the way you're supposed to do. Then you have not understood what it is. Right? You see here there come a combat and he do the. He punches, he flies. Because it has to be understood. Why is this? Why is that? Right? Because the point you come there, here. You understand? Because this is very good. This is better. Because many, when they want to train the opponents, they have to train it and train it and train it. But this everybody does have, right? Alright, or not? That is we call 357 magnets. right? They all understand this. You see by the Djurus. Yeah. Right? See? This is not what it is. You see what you don't see. That is the reason in the salutation say, I ask from the Creator, in the things which I do not see. Because it is made suitable for the American people to do it to combat in the street. Right? This is here, this, excuse me, this. Right? Like a wiper system. Right? Alright? Is there any other question? Right. The effect here is a strike, right? Right. That. Normally I go, right? When he press hard enough, I go. But when the deflection for the for the third dimension, he can press so hard he wants, right? That is the reason why we have certain motion, and when you're an older age and anything, you don't play chicken anymore. Of course, you go make it in a smaller procedure, not all the way like the young kids, okay? Because one of these days, you see, anything is good as anything. Some are like the kicking, some like this, but one of these days, you get a bit older, and you have back problems, okay? And then you think that martial art is for you finished. No. Seek and you will find. Alright? No, because in this way, but the Djurus further, that is the reason why. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This thing, but strike to strike, to strike to strike. You can lock, you can strike, and matter of fact, you can turn the head too, right? And after that, I had make you a little bit acquainted with the down we gonna do the technique. Okay? Be careful when you drop somebody that is cement. Okay? Please, money you have to work. Okay? And you cannot afford to come laping on the work. You know, of course you have insurance, but it's better you come in one piece. You know, become not here to kill each other, to work with each other and to learn. You see, because I by myself, honest and truthful, don't feel any better than anyone else, because you see, the other men that come through the door know always something, but I don't know, because you are educated in one thing and uneducated in another thing. This metaphor, I have much more to go. Okay, thank you. All right, this is the thing here. You see it? See it? See it? You see what it is? What the Djurus represent? When you go Aliman, so come on, fight, Steve. Fight. Oh, boy. He get the best of me, and he was in the daylight, and you're gonna have a kickboxer or whatever, you know, and he's good with the feet. He rearranged my nose from here to here, right? And that's the reason why this is only the program that is in the Djurus to find the tools. Alright? And you want to have sempak, denpak, that is for what you call for sweeping, for beset, what you call back sweep, or whatever, you have low sweep and all that kind of thing. And the reason why that is here, right? I have not yet given permission to move. Otherwise, the mirror had just 7 years of bad luck. Right? The reason why. Okay? The reason why. Okay? The reason why. That just bang here. This is momentum. Right? This is already gone. You have to penetrate deeper. When you go this way, and he hit, and stay here, and he hit, and what about that then? Right? Just a nice and sweet, see? Right? When he moves, I move. Right? Right? That is the reason what it is. Okay?